Most people never become rich. And it's not because they're lazy or unmotivated. It's because they're stuck in a system designed to keep them there. Let me explain. Imagine your life is like a train on a track. Every month, you stop at a station to pick up your paycheck, then continue the same cycle over and over. But here's the problem. What if that track breaks? What if the paycheck stops coming? Relying on a single source of income is risky. Take Jack, for example. He was a successful engineer earning six figures. But one day, his company downsized and his job disappeared overnight. He had no backup plan, no safety net, and everything came crashing down. That's when Jack realized something important. One income stream isn't enough. Wealth comes from multiple streams of income, and you can build them too. Here's how Jack turned things around. First, he invested in real estate, creating passive income. Then he launched a side hustle, followed by investing in stocks and building equity in a business. Step by step, he created stability and freedom. When you rely on one paycheck, someone else controls your financial life. But when you have multiple income streams, no one can derail you. You're in control. Now, Jack isn't just surviving, he's thriving. He owns his time, his income, and his future. And guess what? You can do the same. You just need to start. Here's how to begin. Start with what you know. Turn a hobby into a side hustle. Invest a small amount in index funds. Build skills that let you create passive income. It's not about making millions overnight. It's about building a safety net that grows over time. Remember, it's not about where you start. It's about where you're going. Don't let the system keep you stuck. Take control, create opportunities, and build the life you deserve. If Jack can do it, so can you. Follow me for more strategies to break free and build your wealth, because your future is in your hands.